we have had other things. So we have had other things about the people that had people that had issues.
That one is that one you should already know because we have treated this thing.
No, we don't know all government. Like you said, many of us don't know. So we are hearing it for the first time, and you are already making us to know that the COS should take any decision when you are not there without any consultation to anybody.
The question should be, why is it that you are suspecting that PM will not be there? The question should be why. I'm just letting us know this because I have, a post of Sona Barawa where he's questioning Biafran, trying to call him that he's stupid and all that. They are discussing here in the cabinet, and all this guy could ask is, the only question he have is, PM, if you are not here, you are making us know that COS will take, we make a decision without anything. You understand? That trying to figure out if COS will be in charge or not. If you are not noticing that PM will be out, why such question? Because it's only when you know that when you are suspect that something will happen or you are planning something that you can come up with that kind of question. Now, I don't want this to be too long. Please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Let's go through what he said here because there's a reason why I'm coming back to this particular video. Listen.
Accepting it now.
That is wrong. Again, you are misinterpreting me. Or, that's completely wrong. I did not say that.
Okay, put it correctly for me, please.
What I said is that if we are in a public function, the COS coordinate the event. It is not that COS can give decisions in my absence. I didn't say that.
Okay.
So that COS is not that COS will give decision in my absence. Now, that question goes in line with what other people have been asking. PM, if you are not here, who will take charge? Who will take this? Who will take that? And this guy is using that now to justify a video that a Biafran made. This is our brother. I know him. Because he have been in my program. This is our brother here. So he says something very, very interesting, trying to let them know that Biafrans are not, paying attention to what you guys are doing, because it is very, very clear that the intention is to make sure that you drag everybody to your imaginary, plan. I don't want to say any other thing, but let me I'm trying to choose my word. So listen to what this person said here, then you compare it to what's on his said here.
Okay, Nkere. Bam. Soda Parawa. Hafa. Umo Biafra tachara we buonu n'obi. Nna cheta abuboshi anya. PM Samane tachara buonu n'obi. Don't we go to betray him. Hafa. One ufonye shiro ha agericha. Aha shire gi igerichania. Okodo furo bia unu meworo mo Biafra. Unu ga ta afu. What you know for people are going to suffer because people are evil. Unu one conscience. Biafra ye mecha shiro and unu gericha. We radio unu ga tukari unu abako na oso. Oso mi fili na ine gbo bas. Unu na me fundraising. Fundraising unu janyo lende. What you know for? Just watch out. Biafra gonna boon on every day. I gonna boon on every day. I gonna lay cost on you people every day. For you people are evil.
So this is the end of the video. All right, this is the end of the video from this our brother. And now let us listen to. Let us go to the post that this guy attached to this video where because he merged these two videos of where PM said. Where he was trying to put words in the mouth of PM to, validate, I don't know. And the response that PM gave to him, he misunderstood. PM said that you did not understand, that you misinterpret what I said. Just like he's misinterpreting everything now. Okay? Because when PM said that it's not as if I'm giving US a mandate to give order when I'm not here, if I'm not here, for example, that when they are in public, function, like maybe streaming live or having any function, maybe a town hall meeting and all that, that she have rights to pilot affair. That alone should tell you that if PM is not in, she's next. But PM said that it's not as if I'm not here, she will start making dishing order. When you are not here, when you are not reachable, maybe you are absent in a meeting, or you are not in PM is not did not attend function, is different from when he is not allowed to lead or to publish anything. Just like he said, he told him that you misinterpret what I'm saying. The same thing that he's doing now, misinterpreting everything. You cannot compare when somebody is not allowed to participate, and when the person is not opportune, maybe he's not chanced, he's not free, he don't have free time to participate. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. When you restrict somebody, it's different from when somebody is unable to do something because of another activities. The person is free, but he have other things, other important things to attend. It is not the same. They are totally different ball game. Now he said here, today is to express the stupidity of some old folks. Just listen to this one and listen to your your prime minister. So not our prime minister. So in absence of your PM, many of your brains will be used for sacrifice by one Nigerian politician. The same name he called COS that made PM to even question him in the same video. He's very good at cutting and join video. He called this part where he asked that question, and that's what they're running with. He forgot the entire video that COS posted. You know what he did? Pay attention to this, because this is right up of COS. Just listen here.
They're accepting it now.
Not listen.
That is wrong.
Just look at this. This is COS here. The post that COS made here. What did he do? He used this write-up in red and yellow to cover the write-up of COS, so that people will not see it on his platform. In the name that he, just like he want to attach his own but he is the one for you to see how people can edit and cut and join to prove a point. And I noticed that many people from Riverline area are now throwing their support, trying to do this tribal card they always want to play. I'm not here to promote that, but I want to highlight it because it's very important that we know this. We say it the way it is. Now listen to this man here. This man, listen to him.
They did what they're supposed to do. They don't want to follow orders to say yes when they are not supposed to say yes. But the question I'm asking is this: Nkere refused to be led, and does he expect to lead people and to follow him? People will follow him if he's justified. People will follow him because he was chosen by the people. Do you understand?
A lie from pit of hell. The reason why this man, is saying this thing, because I don't want to play all the video because he's just talking all manner of rubbish. The reason why he's saying what he's saying that is because this man is from Riverline area. He's not an Igbo person, okay? And he himself understands what he wants, which is let us follow people that they think that is gonna, from my place, my brother. You can't get freedom with that kind of sentiment or mindset. Now, this is another guy that I normally share his video here. Listen to him. Just pay attention.
You say, I am DOS. My goodness, some of you, when you come online, you just talk, and insult. You gave me more motivation. Look, I am from Idobimbo, which is Akwa Ibom. And Idobimbo is Biafra land. Akwa Ibom is Biafra land. Don't get it twisted. If you say, I am DOS, they paid me money. Hello, how much you want to pay me? You know how I get it. You know me. Go and ask your COS, ask Uchi, ask anybody. I don't have friends. I don't have enemy. I be one man squad. If you fuck up, you go collect. Whether airport or whether train station or whether anywhere, go and ask where I am become. Look, the zoo must fall. I am mad about Biafra. Okay? The zoo must fall. I don't care what you think about me. Your speech is your insult and everything doesn't bring any changes. Idea where look where they live. We follow the law here. Be wise. Respect the charter. Okay? Respect the Biafran charter.
So, did you hear that? All the church, this is just I don't support anybody. I'm one man squad, but in other words, his weight is throwing to Sonak Barawa and Nkere. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. I just want to highlight this because it's very important that we discuss it the way it is. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.